and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make chicken Parmesan. Yes, it's a well-known famous meal, chicken Parmesan. So first we're gonna start with the pounding the chicken, flatten the chicken a little bit. I'm using a clear film here and a chicken breast already clean. It's about 6-7 ounces the chicken breast. Place it in the middle. So pretty much I'm gonna use the spike side first and then we'll flatten it with the flat side here. So just start with the thick side. Voila, just flip. And now I'm gonna work on the breaded crumb. On the breaded crumbs, I'm using the Panko Japanese breaded crumbs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add a little bit of paprika to it and a little bit of garlic powder. We're not gonna add salt or a lot of flavor because all our flavor is in the tomato sauce. And some black pepper. Give it a little mix. Put it on the side. And now let's work on our egg wash, which is, I'm using here just one egg and some cream. Beautiful. Now in the meantime you preheat your oil to medium, and it's about like a 1/4 inch oil in your pan. Now the chicken. Voila. So the chicken goes in the egg wash. Let's bring it here. And from the egg wash into the breaded crumbs. Straight to the frying pan. Lovely. We're gonna cook it about 4 minutes each side, and then we put it on a tray on the sauce and the cheese and good to go in the oven. Voila, 3 minutes each side, 3-4 minutes each side. Lovely, look how it looks. Nice, golden, crisp. So another 4 minutes this side and we'll work on it to put it in the oven. Nice, it's been there for 4 minutes each side. So it's perfectly nice and crispy. Turn off. And now ready to go in the oven. Now I'm gonna put some tomato sauce in the bottom. You can use any tray you have. And for the tomato sauce recipe, if you click the link here above me, you can see how to make tomato sauce. I have a recipe, a spaghetti with tomato sauce. It's a yummy, homemade, chunky tomato sauce. So a couple of spoons in the bottom. And now it's time to transfer the chicken right here. That's one. And the second piece beside it. Voila. More tomato sauce on the top. Spread it a little bit. And a fresh Parmesan cheese. That's why they call it chicken Parmesan, right? Voila. And here for a flavor, I'm using a Havarti cheese and fresh mozzarella. And your oven on the 400 and ready to go in the oven. Now in the meantime, I'm waiting for the chicken Parmesan to be ready. I want to add a little bit fiber to the meal. So what I'm using here, I'm using something called rupini. Rupini, it's kind of like the from the broccoli family, and just a little smaller than the broccoli. And I already blanched them. To blanch the rupini or broccoli or anything, you bring your water to boil. You put it for like 40 seconds and you take it out and already blanched. So our stove on a medium high, just a little bit olive oil, little basil, put the rupini in, little pepper. Nice, look at this. The rupini is almost ready to go. All what we need, just warm it up a little bit. Lovely. Now let's check on our chicken here. Yummy, look at this. Now everything's ready to go. Let's bring our plate and place our rupini in here. Voila, here we go. Let me put yummy, look at this. Yummy. Voila. Very nice. It's a chicken parmesan. We add a little bit rupini as a fiber to the meal with the side spaghetti. And all yours to enjoy. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.